Okay, I got the flowers in over here, a little bird sanctuary. Now it's time to put out the lights and stuff, which I'll probably do tomorrow or Friday, tomorrow or Saturday, and then get to the gazebo this weekend, and then raise the one side up so that we can open the door more. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut blocks and stick it under the thing and screw them into each other so that it stays. And I'm going to put a sandbag on that corner behind the door. We'll see. But I have to show you, I planted some more tomato plants. I'm going to plant the white pepper seeds there and one in the greenhouse. And then plant some basil here as well. And then here, I'm going to put some cucumber seeds this week. So by the end of June, we'll have more cucumbers growing. And this will be the batch for cucumbers, zucchini, whatever we have in there, and even some beans. And this will be all my vegetables. I'll put some more peas over here, string beans, whatever. And I'll put some, cut some of this off. This is growing very, very nicely. So we'll take care of that. And now I did along the fence here. The two fences are up. The mesh is up. Just got to get behind there and get that done. I also did by the St. Anthony statue. We're not going to move the St. Anthony statue because the face is okay. I just have to paint the robe on the child. And we'll water the flowers right now. So you can see that the statue is okay. The robe on the child has to be painted. I believe everything else is all right. We'll trim around it and see what we have. And we'll put some lights here also. We'll talk about them next week when we plant our final stuff. Over here, I put a begonia. I put the yellow begonia there. I put the deep red there by the blue trailer. And I put the pinkish color here by the flamingo. And I put the pink flower here. I'm going to plant a sunflower seed over here and one of the sunflowers that I have growing in the greenhouse probably tomorrow, and then we'll be done with this. And then I just have to put my gravel in, and that's it. We'll make sure this gets water. Go watch the other videos. You'll see what I did today, and I'll be putting the lights up and everything else. And we'll be trimming this next Tuesday along here with the weed whacker and edging it. You see my firecracker plants are doing okay, except for that one. They're all doing all right. The begonias are doing okay. So I think somebody, a squirrel or something, got to that one. I had to fix it, but we'll see. I may have to get another one and then put some repellent there. But that's it. Everything is looking nice. You see that one there, where the water is now. Then we'll go through all these lights and stuff. Which ones work, which ones doesn't. We'll see. You need batteries, whatever. And you can see the squirrel got to the mulch, digging up something in here too. Right there. But that's it. Everything looks nice. And there'll be more lights on there. And next week we work on that lighthouse. And like I said, the garden bed there. So that's it for tonight. I'll see you in the next video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. And don't forget my live stream tonight at 9 o'clock Eastern. If I can come on earlier, I'll come on earlier. If not, it'll be 9 o'clock. I'm picking up the hose, taking it back, and I'll clean up this mess. We'll close up the greenhouse and put everything in the prep table. That's it. So everything is done. We just got to put the mulch in there. And I'll be doing a short on this flower and the other rose bush over there. Okay. I got some flowers left. We'll be putting them out. There's a few begonias left. These are the sunflowers right here. These are going to be planted by the fence. The impatiens, we'll figure out where we can put them. Probably put them in there with that and plant them alongside the garden beds. But that's it. We're going to close up the greenhouse. And I'll see you tonight in the live stream at 9 o'clock. And we'll discuss what we're going to be doing going forward with our blitz. I'll be posting as many videos as I can. That's it. Now I just have to pick up this stuff. That's what I don't like. I have to put a thing here so that it doesn't ruin the flowers here. We got to pick up this stuff here. I remember I want to save these seeds, these buds for seeds, so that we can grow our own seeds next year. So I'm picking up those. I'm going to save them. Got to get my thing. When I'm done, you'll have other lights here too, and they'll be shining down on this, and you'll see the walkway, and there'll be all sorts of people here too. Berry stuff, and look at the fish chilling out there. Let's get this. That's it. We'll clean up tomorrow, and we'll cut this grass back here. Get this. So that's it. I'll come back and pick up this, take my tripod in, and excuse me, I'll see you in the live stream tonight, live from the man cave, Thursday night. See you then. Stephen F. signing off. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. It's free. Ding the bell so you get notified when I post the video. And we got to get the lights up for here too. So everything will be done probably this weekend or by Monday of next week. And then we'll paint that. And everything will be done before Father's Day. Hopefully within the week. The first week in June, everything should be done. I'll see you in the next one.